Applying for your dream tech job? Your choice of cloud platform could make or break it. Hey, I'm Ashiqur Rahman Avatar, and here's the deal. By 2025, 70% of IT professionals will have cloud certifications. That means more job openings, but also more competition. So, how do big companies choose? AWS and Azure lead for compute-heavy workloads. Google Cloud shines in AI, machine learning, and big data. Many companies use a multi-cloud mix to save money or boost performance. Your background matters, student, career switcher, or already in IT. Let me know in the comments and tell me how you found me. If you're just starting out, maybe a student, career switcher, or have little tech experience, you'll want to focus on AWS or Azure. Why? More job openings in these platforms. Strong community support and learning resources. Skills transfer easily between platforms. The best part? The core cloud concepts, like storage, networking, and compute, are similar across all major clouds. So, learning one will help you transition to others later. Already working in tech? Maybe you're a QA engineer, DBA, or network admin, and you want to move into a DevOps or SRE role. Here's my advice: learn the cloud your company is already using. Why? You get to work on real projects. Your colleagues can mentor you and help you get up to speed faster. You won't be trying to learn from scratch in a new cloud environment. This is your best shot for a smooth career transition. If you're already proficient in AWS or Azure, here's your next move: learn Google Cloud, GCP. Why? Multi-cloud skills are in demand. It's a great way to stay ahead of the curve as more companies adopt multiple clouds. Learning GCP helps you expand your cloud expertise into AI, big data, and machine learning. If I had to pick just one cloud platform for 2025, it would be Azure. Why? More job openings for Azure, especially in DevOps. Fewer seasoned veterans to compete with compared to AWS. Strong enterprise adoption, especially in Microsoft-heavy organizations. Even though GCP is great, Azure is currently the smartest bet if you want to maximize your chances of getting hired in 2025. So, what should you do now? If you're new, start with AWS or Azure. Focus on core cloud concepts like storage, compute, and networking. Then, expand your skills to multi-cloud as your career grows. Now I want to hear from you. What cloud are you leaning toward? Drop a comment below to let me know. I read all of them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share with your friends, classmates, or coworkers, and subscribe for more career-building cloud tips. This is Ashiqur Rahman Avatar, signing off. Keep learning, keep building, and I'll see you in the next one.